All right, we out here getting it together. I'll show you where we at right now with this barbecue. Jquil. We fill it up with charcoal, coal, and everything's set, ready to go. We're gonna let that get heated until I'm able to see the red down here by my fingers. Once they get red down there, where that line at, we go ahead and just lay it out on one side. Get the wood up in here. It's definitely what we're going with right here. All right, doing it my way. But I'm gonna get at y'all. Pull the phone back up. I want to melt it. See the red up in there? That coal getting red. We needed to get all the way down to that third hole where I can actually see it. Then we just pull, lace it on the top here, and get that wood up on top of there. That's it. Might even wet it, soak it, put it on dry, and get that meat on there. All right, so boom, it's back up. So the dogs out here, they eating. Sage. This movie, the haircut. Right back at it. Right back at it, you see? There you go. That's what I wanted that right there. See, all up in there. It's easier. You ain't gotta be going through all of that. Just dump it in there. Alright, so let's get that in there real quick. Everything on one side. Here we go. Glove or whatever. Like this. Just on, we only need one side though. They hot too. Alright, so we're gonna put some wood chips in there. Wood chips up in there. Alright. You know what it is. Alright, so we're gonna go through this. And it smells pretty good. Put a couple pieces in there. And put them in the dry today. Right, with a fire at and get a smoke at. Get that smoke and get that wood up in there, baby. Try to get all up in there. That's all we need. A couple pieces. You don't need a whole lot. Careful with the hands, those couple pieces. That's all we need. I like mine smoky. Alright. So you're gonna put the grill on. That side right there is gonna heat up so we can be able to smoke everything we need to smoke here. Alright, let's put the two sides real quick. You gotta grab that right there, let that heat up. That smoke cooking now. Alright, so we gonna do. Make sure you clean anything up before you start. I'm gonna clean this thing down all last night. Alright, so we should be good. Got them up in there. Take the rack, slide in. Like I said, I cleaned it last night, so I'm gonna take a hot rag over it. Then put some Pam on top of this. Spray it down, some oil, and that's it. Well, we smoking now, baby. Hey, Gizmo, we smoking? Yeah, my dog need a haircut. Look at him. He need a haircut. Gotta feel bad, though. Right, Gizmo? Your haircut, bro? Sage. Well, she don't need no hair. She ain't cut her nails, though. She done got big. All right, get back at you. See that? Ain't got nothing in there yet, but we getting it there. We getting it. Whew. That's what I'm talking about. That's what you talking about. Smoke. We about to get the smoking, baby. But we don't play around here. Nah, we don't not play up in these woods when it come down to smoking some meat there. Let's wipe it down real quick. Like I said, get yourself a clean rag. Make sure you get the spiders out of it, whatever they call them. All right, so just want to wipe over the top. Let it get hot though. Let it get hot, because all it, you know, the heat gonna stay here, but your food gonna go there. So wipe it down a little bit. Smoky up in here, ain't too bad. I'll tell you something. You gonna get the grilling. Clean your damn grill, man. Clean your grill. You don't want to have a nasty grill and you going out, somebody eating out outside in front of the building, you know, in the park somewhere, or somebody's backyard where they got a dirty grill. Come on, man. You don't want to eat that food. That food is unsafe. That ain't the food you want to eat. You want to eat from a really good, clean grill, where you know the person can cook and he clean or she clean. That's how you get that good barbecue. You don't want barbecue tasting like old last year barbecue because you don't clean the grill. You don't want your fish tasting like 2-year-old fish because you don't clean the grill. You don't want all that poison on there. You better clean your grill. All right, so that's what we're doing right now. Let's get the spray it down. But barbecue different, but we go ahead and spray it down with this. Keep your food from sticking and all that. Spray it all down. Watch out for the flames, baby. Watch out for them flames, baby. Watch out for them flames, baby. All right, that's it. Close it. Get the meat out. Hey, I'll be right back at y'all, man. My 55-gallon drum, I got this thing made in Newark a couple years ago for $150. Still standing, though. Definitely still standing, working with it. Get that up on there now. Smoke it out. Now we're gonna take that out of there. Get that smoking, baby. All right. Here we go. You hear that, right? All right, so that'll stay like that. Close it so we can smoke it. All right, there we go. Got to get checking on some things. Gonna flip over the next turn. There you go. That's what we call smoking on the sides and everything. See what I'm saying? Want to get that red. See? That's what I'm talking about, baby. It's getting there. Kind of debone some of the, pull the bone out the middle of some of the chicken there. But we going though. Keep that heat on it. Whew, here we go. She's smoking. See how that meat is backing off that bone when they get hot? So we looking. That's how you supposed to smoke it, baby. YouTube, welcome back. We pretty much done now. There you go. That's the end result. That's them baby back ribs right there. Them baby back rib bones. You see that? Tell me y'all don't like how that look. See what I'm saying? Got that sauce on there. We pretty much done. And we got that sauce on the other side, baby. Well, we good now. Tell me this is what you want, right? There you go. We got it. All right. We're gonna put that on that plate. Get that in there. Hey, thanks for watching it. Thanks for barbecuing with your boy Jquil on Talk Live. We out here. Peace.